Hey everybody, it's Nico, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a tutorial video here showing you guys how to download mods for Minecraft, because I know a lot of people are very confused on how to do it, and some tutorial videos just don't work. So I'm going to make this one as simple and easy as possible, so you can download them as fast as possible. Let's get right into it. So to start out, you're going to want to search up Forge Download. Yeah, you see, I already got it here. Forge Download, you're going to click on this right here. Downloads for Minecraft Forge, just to make sure this is the right one. It's right here. It's got all the versions. Here, you can download whatever version you want, but I like to download 1.12, because this usually has the most mods, right? Alright, so you're going to want to hit whatever, version you want. Latest, recommended, whatever. I'm going to click installer. Now, this is the big problem. This is what's only annoying about Forge. Forge has ads, and these ads aren't very good. They like to trick people into actually downloading their software by saying, oh, your download's ready. And you think, oh, my, Forge download's ready. No, it's not stupid. I'm joking. You're not stupid. It's going to say your download's ready. You're not going to want to click anything here. You're actually going to click this, skip, because it says here, the content below is an advertisement. After the countdown, click skip to begin your Forge download. So you click skip, and then you can see here I downloaded it a couple times. That's just because I downloaded it before. But anyway, look, it's going to say this is blocked because it can harm your device. You click keep, and then look at that. It's going to download. It works. It does not harm your device. Spoiler alert, you're going to open the file. Sorry about that. Then it's going to open this up here, mod system installer. Now what this does is once you click OK here on install client, it's going to put the 1.12, the special version of 1.12 onto your launcher, and you should probably have it. So you hit install client, successfully install client profile Forge, 1.12. You're going to get out of this forever, you don't need this anymore, guys. And we are out of there. Now we're going to launch up Minecraft. Now you probably should have it here. As you can see, I have it. Like latest release, you look down, you'll have Forge somewhere here. If you don't have it here, you can click on installations and hit new installation, and you'll see Forge. I think you should probably see it somewhere here. Yeah, see here you go, release Forge 1.12 Forge. You should see it right there, and there it will be. You'll have to scroll down for it. You'll have to find it. But once you find Forge, you can name it, Forge, whatever, and then you'll have it up here. Mine's the icon with the anvil. And now you're thinking, okay, I have the software for the mods. How do I get the mods up? That's the best part. Now, you see, you go into percent app data percent. Okay, you're going to click here, and here's all your software. Here's all the inner files for all your software. You have click on Minecraft, and it has everything for Minecraft. It has all your files. It has, shaders, screenshots, all the screenshots you took, they're right here. Whatever you did is all here, And what you're going to look for is the mods folder. There usually isn't a mods folder. You're going to have to add it yourself, right? So you're going to have all your mods here, which I'll teach you guys how to download mods there. It's pretty simple. You just find them and download them. But basically, you want to get all your mods, and you want to make a new folder like this. New. You just like kind of left click here, new folder mods. And then you're going to name it, mods, whatever. So that's how you make a folder, and then you're going to get all your stuff, which is probably going to be out here since it's, just, I don't know, it's, you just download it, and you're dragging it all into your mods folder, like this, But we don't need to do that, so we already done that, right? So we have all our mods right here. Oh, it seems I actually deleted a couple. Let me put those back. Where are they? Here we go. Let's put these back into the folder. Okay, there we go. I felt a bit stupid for deleting them. But yeah, here we go. So now they're back in the mods folder, right? And the mods folder is right here. What you'll need to do is you'll need to get this folder. It won't be here. It's here now because we did it, right, before. We're going to get it here, and we're going to move it into the mods folder. We're going to drag and drop it. Then it'll be here, and, you'll have all your mods here. And you'll have everything else here, It's all good. You didn't delete any other folders. Good. Click, play, and then you should load up Forge, and there it will be, You'll have to wait a couple seconds. Minecraft 1.2 will load. And it should work. If your mods don't work, that probably means there's a problem with your mods. But if there is a problem, leave down in the comments, and I'll see if I can help you. But basically, you have to wait a little bit. You'll have to wait longer depending on how many mods you put in, how good your Wi-Fi is, RAM, that stuff. It's okay, though, Single player you hit, and then we load up this mod. This mod's actually this world is actually our hardcore mode, our survival playthrough. But this world is our mod world, all right? We're going to load it up. I already have the world up and loaded, and here you go. Here's just a little bit of a preview of this mod. This mod just adds cool-looking villages, So we have, some Japanese village here. It adds a lot more, but this is the only one that I found so far, It's pretty cool. If you guys want this mod, I can tell you guys the name of it. And if you guys want the whole mod folder that I have, just tell me and I'll be sure to try to send it to you. But here it is, guys. Here's just a piece of the mod, just proof that it works. And like I said, thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more. And like I said as well before, if you have any problems, be sure to put those down in the comments below. I'll see what I can do. Also, I just want to show this. Looks kind of cool. There we go. Jesus. Yeah. But anyway, just here you go. The mod works. Mod software works. Everything's good. Any problems in the comments, leave them down below. Subscribe for the next video, and if you want more tutorials, please tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.